welcome to my channel. I hope that you're having a great day. I have a design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. I do have a coupon code, which is Michelle10 for 10% off any regular price purchases. And I will leave links to their online stores as well as their VIP Facebook group in the description box below. What I have created is a mini album using Graphic 45's, I think it's Make a Splash paper collection. And my mini album measures, the covers are 8.5 by 8.5, and my spine is 4.5. And I wish I wouldn't have done this guess it's so wide because it is a pretty chunky mini album. Here on the front, I have used some of the ephemera pieces and I've got my stickles out. I was inspired by my friend and fellow DT member, Rebecca Tate, to use my stickles. She's so good at using her stickles and glossy accents. So I used a little bit on the mermaid's tails, and then I used some pop dots to pop some of the pieces up here on the cover, as well as the frame. I just used the strips of foam from the Dollar Tree. I love how it came out. And with Graphic 45, they have the collaging or the scenes. It's just hard for me to cut that apart or cover it up. So I just enhanced the cover with the ephemera pieces that coordinate with the paper. And here on the side, I've just used this really pretty stripe paper, and then I used one of the ephemera pieces. And on the back, this is one of my favorite pages with all the mermaids. So pretty. And I love the collars. And I did use Michael's 110-pound paper for my pages and to cover my chipboard. They have, or at least it's new to me, I did not realize they had so many different colors in the 110-pound paper, which is really nice for the album pages, nice and sturdy that way. And on this side, I used this gorgeous seashell paper and then just use some of the patterns and solids for a photo mat. And then this was an ephemera piece, and I've just glued the bottom on, and then I thought if I put a picture, then I can glue that down. And on this side, we have probably my favorite paper with the blue and the mermaids. And then one of the cut-aparts is Born to be a Mermaid. And we open this, and we see another photo mat, and then I used an ephemera piece of the clamshell. I'll slide this over, and another ephemera piece on the photo mat. And we have this gorgeous mermaid down here. And then I figured you could use this for journaling or photos. And then I have the really pretty strip of paper here. And I loved this seaweed in the background. I thought it was so pretty. Then we open to this page, and these are tags we can pull out. So all of the tags come out, and I have some really pretty purple ribbon. And this was another favorite page. I just love the colors in that. I think it's so pretty. And these flip over like so. And I did do some 3x3, I think, journaling mats. Just like a little belly band. If you wanted to tuck something underneath there, you could. And it opens up like so. I just thought that was a really pretty layout with another photo mat and another ephemera piece so you can tuck underneath. And that really pretty page again that's like on the front cover. And I do use magnets in my album. I'm sure you can hear them clicking back together. Just a mirror image on this side. We have the tags, and I do believe I used a Stampin' Up! Punch for the top of that, and these do flip open like so to reveal. It's really pretty paper. I didn't put a photo mat on that one because I hated to cover that up, or even this. So just a little photo mat here, and once again another belly band. I realize that I do a lot of mirror images when I'm making mini albums. So this just, whoops, get a hold of it, opens like so. We have another pretty layout with a photo mat here and another ephemera piece. And those just close like so. And this is open as well. We'll do them together, I guess. So these flip up, and we have the photo mats at the top, and these are like platform pages, I do believe. And I think I saw Rosa Kelly do this, or she was one of the people anyways. And then I've just done the little border strip, or little strips of the mermaid fins, and then we have this little seahorse, and then a little tag from the ephemera piece. Just thought those were really fun pages to create. And then this page opens like so. We have a gatefold here on the left, and I used the cut-aparts from the paper. This opens, and then they both open like this. And I just glued the ephemera mermaids. I thought they were beautiful. And some little postage stamps from the ephemera here at the bottom. Just so pretty and so peaceful looking. And then on this side, we just have a pocket to tuck some in, and they're just a beautiful, beautiful paper collection. And then in the gussets, I did use the mermaid scale paper, and then Born to Be a Mermaid again. Just a little cut apart there. And then we open, and we have another tag here in a pocket. And I call that the border strip page. And then All the Fish in the Sea, or I Love You More Than All the Fish in the Sea. And then this flips open to reveal the beautiful paper. Like I said, I had to use that paper. I've used it like 2 times or 3 times in the album. And then here we have the mermaids. And then this flips open for a nice layout. And then I put a little tag here that you can tuck a photo under, and some seashells here that you can tuck under if you need to. I think it's so pretty. And I thought the mermaids' faces were so pretty in this collection. Sometimes I feel you'll get a collection in the faces. I don't know. I'm just really weird about that. And then I glued a little strip here, and then we have a little tuck spot underneath the little postage stamp. We have our mermaid swimming, and then that opens like so to reveal. I went ahead and just used the cut apart page that time, and the mermaid scales, and then it opens for a really pretty layout. Then some of the seashell ephemera pieces, and Born to Be a Mermaid. And here we have a large belly band that I have the blue fins with a little purple Make-A-Wish, excuse me, on a starfish, and then The Sea Is Calling and I Must Go. So this flips open like this to reveal some photo mats or journaling places with a really pretty paper, and that closes. And then this comes out, and I did leave that blank on the back, that way you could add pictures, and I thought that would be great for journaling. So that just tucks in like so. And then on this side we have a double pocket with that really pretty cut apart paper and the mermaids and the blue fishtail. So here are some of the cut aparts. Just back them on the purple cardstock, or put them on the purple cardstock. And here's 2 larger mats. And once again, the cut aparts on the paper. And I did leave those blank for now. And the final page mimics the front, and it just opens like so to reveal gorgeous, gorgeous papers. Here we have like a journaling or photo mat. It's just a beautiful paper collection. And here we have a photo mat, and then this can have something tucked underneath of it. Yeah. So you can tuck underneath the ephemera piece. And I think I forgot to show my inserts are at the top of this album. And they're all, I just used my scraps, so they're all going to be different. But this one has 2 photo mats and then the strip of the mermaid paper. But I forgot about those. Stick that back in there. Like I said, they all have a photo mat. I just might have laid them out differently. So I'd love to hear your comments. I hope everyone has a fabulous day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.